Hey guys, so this is my second time at this intro. Because I did a beautiful intro a while ago and it was not being recorded. So spend a slow but productive day with me. So I started my day with cutting bananas from the banana tree in the front yard. I'll show you guys the banana shortly. But basically what I was saying is that it's so funny. Like, I find God in everything. I try to find God in everything because, I mean, that's how it's supposed to go. But when my mother planted this banana tree, she literally only planted one sucker. And we now have 7. It's now 7 banana suckers in the front yard, and it gives us bananas, like a healthy bunch of bananas every 3 to 4 months. And as soon as I cut down one, cause today, see here that I just cut down, as soon as you cut down one, there's another one coming up, and it's so amazing. It just shows how much, if God plants one seed and that seed germinates, the grace what we get from that one seed. And that one banana plant literally left us with 7, and some little ones down there so popping up. And that's just God. That is literally just God. I have a few things to do today, but those things may not like take me out of the house. So my internet friend gifted me Gustazo's coupon for bowls and spoons. So they sell soups and salads. So you can only redeem it on a Saturday between 11 and 4 p.m. So I hope I get to do that today. And I am also going to take some pictures of some products because I am rebranding Inspired by Faith to I'm rebranding Inspired Beads to Inspired by Faith, and name is gonna be down here. Follow us on Instagram. It's all things faith based and faith. So I have a few products to take pictures of today because the launch is on the 4th of April, but there is women's conference next week and they're having a young persons pop-up. So I'm gonna take some products to that. So I'm gonna look over some bookmark designs because I make the bookmarkers. So it's original bookmarkers by Inspired by Faith. So I'll have that. I have faith-based books and a few other stuff. The hats that you guys are used to, and the key rings you guys are used to. Bracelets, of course. But I'm gonna phase out a few of the bracelet designs and only stick to one particular bracelet design. That is the design that comes with the word of encouragement. So I have that to do today and hopefully a few other stuff. So let's see if I can get everything done, and let's see how much I actually get done today. It's a slow day, but still keeping it productive. So I will see you guys in the next update. Stay tuned. Oh wait, I'm gonna show you the banana. Mm-hmm. Alright, so this is the banana. It has a couple dozens. I just put it out in the front so that it could drain, so that I don't drain the sap into the house while I carry it into the kitchen. So remember how I said I was gonna do so much things? Well, I lied to myself. I actually took a nap, and that nap turned into a couple hours of sleep But I'm up. I'm not gonna tell you the time. But yeah, I haven't actually done anything on that list that I said I was gonna do. It's a slow day, but we're trying to stay productive. So I am actually gonna take some product photos now. I'm gonna use Trisha's beautiful Lush Garden that I always bun her out for because she spends a lot of time in here. I'm gonna use her flowers as a backdrop and take 3 product photos to be exact, and then I head in, then get some work done. I'm gonna edit and I'm gonna do some final touches on the bookmarkers. So let's see if I can actually get that done. Bowls and spoon is out of it completely today because it's pretty late and I wanted to go there in the day because I wanted good photos. I wanted high quality videos because I'll be making a reel for Instagram and I will be taking pictures. So it's out for today. The sun's still out, but by the time I do what I need to do to get ready to go to Bowls and Spoon, it's going to be late evening and I don't want that. So yeah, I'm gonna go do my product photos now. So yeah, I am gonna show you my process. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Yo, Sky. Say I leave I our mission of to preach Christ, yeah. Watch ya. Pressing on, we have to reach a target, we are 90, so no evil can test fire scripture. Make it evil start fret if I obey your. So I'm actually going to use my phone to take the pictures. My phone takes quite lovely pictures, especially if it's in extremely good lighting. And if you can see, Trisha has a nice lush area over there that I think will work very well with the concept that I'll have for the page. So let's go. I'm not gonna. Should I show you guys a bit? I think I'm gonna show you guys the stuff because they're gonna be posted in short order, so you guys can start making your orders. Yeah, so you can message the page and start making your orders, even though we're not fully launched. But I'm still taking orders because I've actually started to sell some of the stuff that I have not yet posted. So yeah, DM. Christians watching, demon balling. We are winning so strong, man, in a Jesus calling, no skylocking. Christ are the victor, so load up eclipser. Scriptures are lick shot, a kick and a whisper. Satan a trickster, time for your ditch that. Demon a flee when me start for minister. Start for forgive me, no harbor, no sin. Inna my heart, the truth me a sing. Soul of the win, better start the redeem. You fi bow to the king, then eternally live. Cause me know inna no long talking. Christians marching, demon balling. We are winning soul from man in a Jesus calling, no skylocking. We know in a no long talking, Christians marching, demon balling. We are winning soul from man in a Jesus calling, no skylocking. Yeah. Say I the Levite and we mission of a preach Christ, yeah. These pictures are so beautiful. Yeah, man. Good professional photos with my iPhone. Clock that T. I don't have a fingernail. I only have one fingernail on this finger and 4 on the others. I need for Guinevere. But these are good. Will I be taking? I think these are the only 2 products that I'll take for today. You remember that beautiful bunch of banana that I picked this morning? Well, mommy made banana porridge. So I'm gonna have some for dinner because why not? I love porridge. Well, I don't love cornmeal porridge, but I love me a good banana porridge. And she doesn't add flour. Let me look for a spoon. Yeah, she don't add sugar. She don't add flour. Yeah, she don't add flour. So it's banana, peanut, and oats. Perfection. Literal perfection. My mother is a chef, you know. If you need that porridge, just send me a DM and I can let you have some at a cost. Okay, I'm gonna have my porridge and I'm gonna sit and review my bookmarks because I only have like 2 things left to like tick off the list for today. I'm gonna have my dinner. Hi Daisy. Have my dinner and check off the bookmarkers and edit a TikTok video that I'm going to post tonight and take off all these videos that I did today and start editing so that I can have it up for you guys as soon as possible. So tune in for the next update while I eat my porridge. So it is 10 minutes past 8 and I am going to finish having my porridge. I'm gonna take some video off on my hard drive because I want to make a TikTok. Where is my pencil? I have no idea. I want to make a TikTok. I want to post that by... Hey guys, come to Tajari. By 9. So let's see if I can get the videos to post my TikTok. Then I actually have... Let me tell you what. I'm going to check the bookmarkers because I want those to go out for printing on Monday. I'm going to put on the words of encouragement on my bracelets and I'm going to edit the TikTok. And I'm going to take off all the videos off the memory card from the camera to start editing because I want to post this video as soon as possible. So those are the things that I have left for tonight. Today wasn't a bad day. It was slow and I actually got stuff done. That's what I'm grateful for. And to be honest, we don't have to be hyperactive all the time to get stuff done, to be honest. And I'm just grateful that I was able to slow down today and still get stuff done. So that is what I'm gonna do for the rest of tonight. So I posted my TikTok video in the nick of time. It's now 1 minute past 9. The video is up. It has been up, and so one thing is done. It literally took me almost an hour to find the videos, and I only actually find 5 videos I didn't want to use. But that is out of the way. It's time to finish the rest of the stuff. I will check in. I will do hourly check-ins so that I'll give you guys an accurate time as to what time I actually finish doing everything that I'm doing. But it's now 2 minutes past 9 and we are going to check on the bookmarkers and then we're gonna take off all the videos. So let's see what time I finish. Yeah. So it is currently 10:35 p.m. and I have successfully completed all my tasks. So I want to thank you guys for watching and coming along my slow but productive day with me. I am going to eat some food. Well, we actually went to KFC a while ago, so I'm going to eat some KFC and relax for the rest of the night. I'm going to watch a movie and relax. because I have church in the morning. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I am currently at 771 subscribers. Get me to 1,000. Love you guys. Bye.